Uh, Good evening, Chaitanya. You are from which state?
Sir, Kerala.
Kerala only. Okay,
Yes.
nice. Good. Now, what is the degree you have studied?
Sir, MA in economics.
Oh, MA in economics. Did you go through those 100 questions I gave you?
Sir, I have gone through that recent
But,
interview questions that I have gone through.
hmm, but not the 100 questions I have given in the group. When did you
No, sir,
join?
I have to. Sir, 3 days back.
Only. Oh, then maybe you would not have seen that. Na? Are you watching our WhatsApp group regularly?
Yes, sir, I'm watching, but I haven't seen that. I don't know if I have missed it or not, but I haven't come across something like that.
1 minute.
I
I
will
will.
check it out.
You please. 1 minute. 100 economics questions. Um, because now it is easy for me, I can ask from there only.
Okay,
Because,
sir.
of course, besides what they will ask in a normal federal bank interview. Chaitanya, from which part of Kerala?
Sir, Thiruvananthapuram.
Okay. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Okay, sir. My name is Chaitanya Ajay, and I'm from Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala. I have completed my master's in economics from Pondicherry University. I'm also qualified for the UGC NET. And during my post-graduation period, I have done an internship with the International Institute of Migration and Development, where I studied about the social impact of the COVID on the expatriates' life from Kerala. And my hobbies include cooking, where I am interested in trying out new dishes. That's also.
Can you tell me what is gross domestic product?
So, gross domestic product is the money value of all final goods and services produced within an economy in an accounting year.
Good, good answer. Now, next one. Second, what is gross national product?
Sir, gross national product is the money value of all goods and services that is produced by the nationals of the country, irrespective of the boundaries.
Mhm. 1 minute. Economics. Top 100 economics questions. I will give once again in our WhatsApp group. We'll be filling it fully, doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Once
sure.
again, I
Thank you.
am giving it there. Top 100 economics questions. Good. Now, wait a minute for 5 minutes. Yeah. Next question. Gross national product. Did you tell correctly? Gross national
Yes.
product is the total market value of all final goods and services produced in a year. GNP includes net
Bye.
factor income from abroad
From,
also. Correct. Good.
yes, sir.
Please tell me
Thank you.
NNP, not national product.
Sir, net national product is the if you are it is an market value of all final goods and produces that is produced by the nationals. Like if you are taking a if you are accounting it by GNP, NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation.
Super. Good answer. Please
Thank
tell
you, sir.
me net national product.
Sir, net
Net
national
national
product is
product
also
at factor cost.
okay, sir. So net national product at factor cost includes the final value of all goods and services that is accounted by the factor cost. That is the cost of the factors. If we are taking like if you are taking an NNP MP, the NNP FC is equal to NNP MP minus net indirect tax.
Plus subsidies.
Plus, it's a net indirect tax means
No.
indirect tax
Net
plus
net
subsidies.
NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP
Okay.
at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. This there is one file which is given very nicely in this. Good.
Sir, like
Hmm.
what I have said is if you are adding net indirect tax, that means indirect tax plus subsidies, sir.
Indirect plus
Sir,
subsidy.
net
Correct.
indirect,
I told you
yes, sir.
minus, not it should be
Yes,
plus
sir.
subsidies.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
You told correctly. What is your
Thank
name?
you, sir.
Chaitanya.
Sir Chaitanya. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Good. Very good answering. Now, let me go here. Can you describe our economy at present? Economic position of our economy now.
Okay, sir. If you're taking the current economic situation, in terms of the GDP calculated nominal value, our economy is at the third largest economy. And if you're calculating it as a purchasing power of money, that is the power of like people, how they can the purchasing power by the nationals, then the country is at the fifth position.
Hmm. No, but talk from the angle of banking and insurance.
Yes, sir. Um,
Maybe you are not prepared for this question. I want
yes,
you to
sir.
talk about, you are not prepared, I know. Even I
Sir,
was
if
not prepared.
like, what should I add, sir? What type of answer
No,
should I
here,
add?
here we should tell about the banking, what situation the banking system is there. It is running
Okay, sir.
short of funds now.
Okay,
You
okay.
should
Can we
go
tell
through the
about the
late.
number of banks, like public
Yeah,
banks?
that
That
also you
one
can,
can
that you
discuss.
can tell. Number of public sector banks, number of private sector banks, number of small finance banks, number of RRBs, then payment banks and all that. But
Okay,
talking about economy, we have say banks having private as well as public doing service to the people. But the right now the economy is improving. However, there is banks are feeling shortage of funds for lending to customers. So for that,
okay.
they are borrowing or they are raising their capital. This you can know if you go through the latest banking updates. When did you join our group?
So 3 days back.
Oh, Baba. Then there are banking updates from the old, let's say at least September, October. If you go through and if anything about economy is given, you can try to know
Okay,
about it, how it is carrying on. No, no.
sure.
Or Economic Times latest some editorials and all you see that will tell you the position of banks and all. Okay,
Sure.
from the point of view of banks, that's what I'm telling.
Okay.
Right. Good. Now let me go for the regular questions they ask in banks. Why should we select Chaitanya?
Sir, as per my view, I am a person who is very much dedicated and responsible, willing to take up the activities and trying to fulfill the activities according to my strengths and meet the targets. And I'm also a person who is good in making making communication and social relationship with people. So I think as a federal bank employee, I can communicate with the customers in a very friendly manner, for in a friendly and cordial manner. And also I'm very punctual in my I'm very punctual person, and I value my time as well as others time. So I think like I
Tell
can be
us.
a good employee in the
Tell,
federal
no,
bank.
no, but here everything okay, but don't start with in my view.
Okay, sir.
You tell I am. No,
Sure, sir.
in my view means whose view can you tell? You can tell only from your view. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now, please tell me about your family.
So my family is a nuclear family. It consists of my father. His name is Ajay Kumar, and he is a tax practitioner. My mother's name is Beena Kumari, and she's a housewife. I also have a younger brother named Dashrath Ajay. He is pursuing his BSc nursing.
Good. But in real interviews and all, you don't have to tell the name of people. Tell
Okay,
their
sir.
occupation only. That will do.
Oh, sure, sir.
You said your father is an income tax practitioner.
Yes, sir. He's a tax practitioner. He's practicing with both income tax and GST.
Oh, then you are adding
Yes.
further problems. Please tell me, tell me something about latest income tax changes or that have been brought in budget.
Sir, I'm not that much aware of that. I need to look into that, sir.
Right. It is a very important question for you because one, you are an economics graduate.
Yes,
Two,
sir.
your father is in income tax. So,
Yes.
from that point of view and all, I have given you the budget. Na? Are you aware I have given you
Yes,
the
sir.
budget?
Yes, sir. Yes, I
You are
have
aware?
seen that.
Now
Yes,
then,
sir.
why did you not go through that?
Yes, sir. I need to look on to that, sir. I'll surely look on to that, sir.
For example, no, everything is important. Now, under that, if you at least go through this portion, that will help you. 1 minute. Share. Which one? Which one? Just a minute. Where did I open here? Search results. Budget. Budget. Budget is coming. Are you seeing budget? Four major.
Yes.
Are you seeing now
Yes,
on
sir.
the screen?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
This I have
Farmer,
none, sir.
poor, farmer, poor,
Yes.
women, and Yuva. Are you seeing or not?
Yes, sir, I'm seeing.
Yeah, here, from the point of view of income tax, the last portion is important. Everything you have to study, but because you are income tax girl, I want you to go through this portion. Direct tax proposals. Whatever
Okay,
they
sir.
have given here, you please go through this.
Sure, sir.
Okay, that will be better. Good.
Okay,
Now,
sir. I'll
next
see that.
normal question asked in our Federal Bank interview. What are the achievements made by you in your college days?
So during my college days, I have been working with the college placement cell and all. So dealing with the activities and looking up for promoting the children, promoting the students, and giving them opportunities, giving them sessions about the opportunities and all. And along with that, I have also qualified for the NET UGC program for the assistant professor qualification. And I am also good in essay writing, and I have participated in competitions also. Along with that, during my post graduation period, I have done an internship with the Institute of Migration and Development, which was a very good achievement from in my career, in my academic career, sir.
Acha. What is Institute of Migration Development? What is that?
So the Institute of Migration and Development is located in Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala, and they are dealing with the studies related to migration topics.
Oh,
About the migration, and they are also supporting, assisting the government, also providing the reports on this migration related data and all.
what is migration?
So migration is the movement of people from one place to another place. It can be immigration or emigration.
Why do people migrate?
So migration is caused due to both push and pull factors. The push factors cause people to move from one place to another place. So the push factors include some, if there is some social tensions, lack of employment opportunities, infrastructure backwardness. The pull factors are the factors that attract people to another place. It include the peace and harmony in that place, employment opportunities, education facilities, infrastructure, all these
Yeah,
factors, sir.
yeah, Chaitanya. Did you go
Yes.
through the website of Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of any of the loan products they are giving?
Sir, they provide loans like different types of loans are provided. For example, Shreni loans are provided, which are for the NGOs, Mahila Mitras for women. So they are
No, no.
providing
But
such loans.
do you know about car loan?
Sir, I'm not that. Yeah, I have seen that, but I don't know if I could answer, sir.
No, no. See, actually, reading means what? You must read the website, knowing fully well what are the salient features.
Okay, sir.
You must be able to explain about it.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Now, 1 minute.
Yes.
We have one more person with us. Vipul. Vipul is there with us. Vipul. Mr. Vipul, are you there with us? Vipul Misal. Yeah. Vipul, can you talk to us?
Yes, sir.
Vipul, now you are with a private sector bank. Can
Yes, I am
you,
with ICICI Bank Limited.
yeah, can you market one of your products to us? Supposing we are a group of people sitting in a hall. You are
Yes.
coming here to market that product to us. You will have
Yes.
2 minutes time to talk to us.
Okay. Hello, forum. My name is Vipul. I come from ICICI Bank, working in the business loans group department, which specially caters to MSME group. In that, I specifically look into working capital loans for MSMEs. I have various programs that cater to working capital needs of MSME. They include loans given on basis of GST, on the basis of their financial health, and on the basis of what category of MSME they are working in. So, for giving you some silent features of GST, so we consider the last 12 months of GST performance of a company, and whatever the net turnover is, we give 20% as working capital loan to that specific company. Same goes for this. This can be given to all sectors in MSME, as in the person's factory, as in he's a manufacturer or a service provider, trader, people like these. Uh, there are other programs what we cater to. The means CGTMSC programs, that is a
Thank,
government
thank
subsidy.
you. Thank you, Vipul. So, what is
Yes.
the success rate in respect of our canvassing like this? Supposing you are addressing a group of 20 people like this who are all in MSME,
Yes.
do you what is the strategy adopted by you for canvassing? Is it that you go to individual people, company, and then talk, or you address them as it is in a group?
Uh, so I in the means see I do it in a phased manner where I first talk to the group, then I filter them out based on their means I make a portfolio about them. So which can be the most profitable person to me in that group. If he is from MSME, if he is of a high HNI customer, as in a high net worth person, and then onwards, then means he can be means better for my portfolio, then he has the most eligible factors that I can provide him loan and plus his needs and requirement.
Right. What is the success rate in such cases? Supposing you try 5 parties, how many
Yes.
succeed?
In 5 parties, around 2 to 3 succeed because majorly ICICI Bank is a private banker and we provide to mainly to a HNI customer. Then our services are on a premium side, so hence we cater to a premium customer. And Indian market is more biased towards PSU banking.
Correct, correct. That is true. That is very much correct. Good. Thank you. Thanks for sharing this. I told you you need not talk, but then there was a question related to that for Chaitanya. I thought it is
Yes, sir.
better you talk to us. Thank you. You did well.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
We will meet for your interview, as I told you, on 15th
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
morning.
Just a request.
Yeah.
As I was observing, means in Chaitanya's this interview, can you please also add me to the relevant groups for my
Yeah,
specific
yeah. Acha,
profile?
acha. Sure, sure, sure. No, no, but this
Yes.
is a group of youngsters, 170 to 180 youngsters who are
Okay.
going for probationary officers post in Federal Bank. They are all postgraduates. And
Okay.
you can join them, you can tell them about banking, you can get to know what they have in mind about banking. That can be
Yes, sir.
done.
Yes.
Nothing wrong.
Yes.
Acha,
Yes, sir. Yes.
1 minute, 1 minute. I will give you that this thing. Just a minute. Group info. Uh, I I I thought because you're going to be only for 4 or 5 days. I thought why
Yes,
to
sir.
add it? Doesn't matter. You
No, no.
join now.
Just wanted to stay updated with the relevant information.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why.
1 minute. I am sharing it to you. What is your first 5 numbers? Don't tell full. First five
Yes.
numbers.
Eight
You-
double four six nine.
84469. Yeah, last number is 60.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Bej diya. I will send you one more newspaper group also.
Yes,
See,
sir. Yes.
I post every day newspapers. So it is good as a banker. You go through that newspaper also. Newspapers through हम अभी भेज देगा.
Yes, sir.
Hmm,
Yes.
Yeah. 1 minute. Invite. Send link. Just. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. Done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You can
Thank you, sir.
join that group. You can share. The group will be benefited by your presence because you are
Okay.
already experienced. How old are you, Vipul?
Yes, sir.
How old are you?
So I am 28 years of old.
Acha, that's why. Yeah. You are missing by 1 year or 2 years because they want within less than 2 years in Federal Bank. What is your degree
Okay.
qualification?
Sir, I have done MBA in marketing.
Oh, excellent. Super. Very
Yes, sir.
good. Very good. Thank you. Now
Yes.
we will go to Chaitanya. Chaitanya,
Yes, sir.
I asked a question and the way you should answer that, I have demonstrated to you through another practical person who is dealing with it. Could you understand
Okay,
that?
sir. Yes, sir. I could understand.
Yeah. Now, last few questions for you from
Okay, sir.
Federal Bank. Please tell me what is the total deposit of our bank as on 30th June?
Okay, sir. The total deposits is 2.66 lakh crore.
Excellent. What was the net profit made by our bank
So net profit is
for the quarter?
9.
1009.53.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you know what is the expansion of GNPA?
What is it, sir?
Expansion of GNPA. GNPA. G for God, N for nation, P for Peter.
Yes. Gross.
Gross NPA means gross
Okay, sir.
non-performing asset.
Non-performing assets. Yes, sir.
You are not studied about it. You have to study. Then
Okay, sir.
NNPA means net NPA.
Net non-performing assets.
Yeah, you should know about it. Then who is our MD and CEO?
Sir, MD and CEO is KVS Manian.
Good. Can you name the 5 chief ministers of Kerala?
Okay, sir. The present Chief Minister of Kerala is Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. Then other Chief Ministers who have served us include Sri Umman Chandi, Sri V.S. Achudanandan. The first Chief Minister, Sri E.M.S. Namboothiripada, Sri K. Karunakaran.
Sufficient. Good. Excellent. Now you are an economic student. So what is the say CRR rate now? What is
The
CRR?
CRR, sir, Federal Bank, sir.
No. CRR means you don't know that, I think so.
Is
Cash
capital
reserve
risk.
ratio. Cash reserve ratio.
Yes, sir. CRR, cash reserve ratio. Sir, it is the ratio that is kept as cash by the commercial banks with the RBI, and its rate include 4.5%, sir.
Yeah, it is now 4.5. Correct. The other one you are confusing is CAR.
Yes, sir. I heard it
Capital
like
adequacy ratio.
yes, sir.
Capital adequacy ratio. Very good. You have been answering very well during the last 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So best wishes. We'll meet second
Thank you.
time afterwards when we will try to exploit further. But you
Okay,
can know fully about from the today's. I have posted a video on today's class, 1 hour class. You can watch that one. From there itself, you can learn a lot of new things. Plus, all
yes,
the last 1 month, I have been posting various class videos and also for knowledge and also many mock interviews. Just at random, run them and note the questions. If you can answer them, fine. If you cannot answer, check up how to answer that. Then also check from Google. And if you have still doubt, you can ask in the group also.
okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye. Now, what is the number of customers now? Happy customers? 1.85 lakh.
1.8, sir.
1.85.
1.8. Yes, sir.
85 or 81?
Sir, I have studied up to 1.8, sir. Only one decimal digit I have.
Anybody else can confirm what is the
85, sir. 85.
8? That's what I thought. It's not coming correctly. That's why I thought I should correct it. 1.85 lakh. Number of branches, how much? 1.5. Banking outlets, 1.5.
1533, sir.
Acha. Number of ATMs and cash recyclers?
1451, sir.
1451. Okay.
Recyclers are 601.
601. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. That much will do. So I'll close this mock with this one.